Mothweso madume tseno ke dikgang tsa loleme la Setswana tseo di tlisediwang ke Keotshepile Mokate mo Platinum Northwest TV tla re lebelele tseo di tlhomileng kwa setlhoeng. GCIS e tlhotse e tshwere tiro ya kgwedi ya baša le letsatsi la boditšhabatšhaba kgatlhanong le diritibatsi. Mo go tse dingwe, Kgotlapeomolao ya Northwest e amogela palamente ya lekala la baša ya 2025. Tla re simolole ka tsa mono porofenseng. Thulaganyo ya puisano le tshedimosetso ya puso GCIS ka tirisano mmogo le JCPS e tlhotse e le moamogedi wa tiragatso ya setšhaba jaaka karolo ya kgwedi ya baša kwa maemelong a ditekesi a Sarafina Extension 6 kwa Dikageng. Setlhogo sa tiro eno se ne se re thotloetso ya boitekanelo jwa mmele le tlhaloganyo ka go fokotsa boitshwaro jo bo kotsi. Ba dikgang tsa rona ba buile le Captain Manyoba wa SAPS.
Today we are celebrating Youth Month, but above all we have gathered here as JCPS, Justice, Crime Prevention and Security Cluster, to make awareness on gender-based violence and femicide, and precisely to make people aware of the effects of drugs and illegal substances in our entire communities. Look, we have come here with different government departments. We have your DPCI, we have social development, we have crime prevention, community policing forum that is working with us according to Section 205. We are here as a joint venture to commonly fight the imbalances which are hampering the social well-being of our people. Yes, I can attest to the fact that we have achieved our objectives because we are not working alone. We are working as intertwined departments that need each other, to achieve a certain objectives. I cannot reach my objective if I do not engage with the NPA, because my role is to provide safety, security, comfort to our people. But once a charge has been laid, the person would go to court. And that's where the NPA, the prosecution, will have to take course. But above all, that in the process of that, a person goes to jail and then you go to your Department of Corrections, which is here as well. And we have social workers who will also take them in the process of rehabilitation or integrating them into the society.
Philaneng Kwalasi go tswa kwa kantorong ya The Hawks o buile seno.
We are here as part of the JCPS cluster that would include your correctional services, the NPA, the justice cluster, as well as the greater SAPS, including us, SAPS as the directorate. Of course, we know we are going towards the end of the Youth Month. So we are here as part of that activation of the Youth Month. As well, we are collaborating with the local municipality to reach out to the youth to say, be careful of issues of drugs and trafficking. There are other crimes that, as the DPCI, as an individual entity, that we are here to spread the message about the issues of counterfeit, like illicit cigarettes and the counterfeit goods that endanger the community, not only the economy, because as you would know, that majority of these things, the government is not getting tax. As a result, the cake that the government has, which they have to cut to ensure that they build clinics, they build hospitals, they hire more police. If we do not make more tax, we don't generate more tax, we are losing out. So that's one of the message we are here to preach, to ensure that the youth is aware of these things. Majority of the youth in this country is unemployed. And part of the issues that creates that unemployment is that there has been a huge influx of counterfeit products that are in the country, whether it's illicit cigarette or it's fake coke and other products. The danger to this is that some of these products, it's not like the shoes that you wear, like your fake luxury brands that people like. Others, we consume them, and it means they shorten our lifespan. So we are here not only to talk about drugs, not only to talk about human trafficking and kidnapping and gender-based violence, but we are here to also preach about those economic crimes that would, if we refrain from them, would generate more tax for the country.
Olive Stender go tswa kwa lefapheng la dikgolegelo o buile ka ditirelo tse ba tlamelang ka tsona.
We are here today to present our department. We don't adhere to this saying of eat and lay, or just to lock them up and throw away the keys. We, as correctional services, we also adhere, instead of partner with safe custody, we also adhere to rehabilitation, and we have lots of different programs that is intact for our offenders in the to assist them in the rehabilitation process, like spiritual care. And as I am working at the skills department, we are giving them skills so that they can use it when they are on the time when they exit from our center. Then they can use it to put bread on the table and for self-employment purposes. And that's why we were here to exhibit some of the works that are from our skills, the work that's been done by offenders inside the center, to also show community that not all things coming from prison is bad. That they want to rehabilitate, and that is our part that we are playing.
Mo go tse dingwe tsa mono porofenseng, Kgotlapeomolao ya Northwest e amogetse palamente ya lekala la baša ka fa tlase ga setlhogo se se reng bokgoni jwa lefatshe le le fetogang gona ya baša maatla a go nna le seabe se se nang le bokao kwa Madiba Hall kwa Potchefstroom. Puo eno e ne lebeletse thata dikgwetlho tse di sa feleng tsa botlhokatiro jwa baša mo porofenseng. Go buile ka seabe sa go matlafatsa baša se se tlhoka maiteko a kopanetsweng mo dikarolong tsotlhe go matlafatsa le go tlhabolola baša. Re diwetsafatsa porofense mme re tsena mo go tsa bosetšhaba. Mokgatlho wa bosetšhaba wa badiri ba meepo o begile go latlhegelwa ke maloko mo ngwageng wa matlole wa 2024. Mokgatlho o itemogetse kwelotlase ka peresente ka badiri ba ba fetang 1,400 mo lephateng la meepo. NUM e golotse pego ya bokwaledi e tlhalosang ka botlalo seemo sa mokgatlho go tloga ka kopano ya one ya bofelo dingwaga di le 3 tse di fetileng. Mokwaledi kakaretso wa NUM Mphopakedi a re pego eno e supa gore go fokotsega ga maloko go bakilwe ke dilo tse di akaretsang go fokodiwa ga badiri, go rulagangwa sešwa ga ditlamo, go sutisiwa ga borrakgwebo le dintsho tsa bontsi mo madirelong a meepo. Tla re tsene mo go tsa boditšhabatšhaba. Mookamedi wa CIA John Ratcliffe maabane o kaile fa tshedimosetso e ikanyegang e supa gore thulaganyo ya nuklea ya Iran e sentswe thata mo ditlhaselong tsa sešweng tsa US ga mmogo le mafelo a le mmalwa a botlhokwa. Tshekatsheko ya ntlha ya lefapha la tshireletso e neng ya phasaladiwa ka labobedi e fitlhetse fa go thuntshiwa ga mafelo a le mararo ke US go ka tswa go buseditse morago thulaganyo ya nuklea ka dikgwedi di le mmalwa e leng se se neng se sena matswela a kalo fa se bapisiwa le puo ya ga moporesidente Donald Trump morago ga ditlhaselo. Dikutlafatsa boditšhabatšhaba mme re tsena mo go tsa kgwebo. Komišene ya Tirelopuso e tshwanetse gore puso e kolota madi a badiri ba le 190 ba lefapha la puso, madi a fetang diranta di le dibilione tse 16 a malatsi a boikhutso. Go ya ka setheo, madi ano a amana le malatsi a fetang dimilione tse 9 a kokwantsweng pele ga Phukwi wa 2000 fa molawana ono o ne o letla badiri go nna le malatsi a kgonologo a ba sa diriseng mme ba dirisetsa go duelela madi a bone moragonyana. Mo puisanong ya Lekgotlakgaso la Aforika Borwa, mokomišenara wa PSC a Nele Tloia a re palo eno e bontsha ditshenyegelo tse di ka nnang teng mo isagong. Tla re tsene mo go tsa metshameko. Setlhopha sa Obi TVET College FC se tlhatloseditswe kwa Betway Premiership moraga go fenya Cape Town City ka 1-0 kwa dikgaisanong tsa makgaolakgang tsa PSL kwa Olympia Park Stadium kwa Rustenburg maapane. Nno ya ga Letsie kwa Peng e file Obi diphenyo ya dintlha tse 8 go tswa mo metshamekong e mene a kgontsha Mswenko Boys go nna setlhopha sa ntlha sa maemo a kwa godimo mo porofenseng fa e sale Platinum Stars ka 2018. Meyara mogolo wa masepala wa Rustenburg, Sheila Mabeloma, o kaile fa ba le motlotlo thata ka setlhopha mme mokatisi Makhoye a re batla tshwanela ke go dira kanatla go feta pele.
My name is Sheila Mabeloma, the Executive Mayor of Rustenburg Local Municipality. Today, Mswenko Boys made us proud as the city. We are so happy for them. We have long been waiting for PSL to come to Rustenburg. So finally, we are going to host PSL as Rustenburg. And if it wasn't of Mswenko Boys, we wouldn't be here where we are. So we are so proud of them. Next to me is the coach. Coach will introduce himself as well to you. And we can't wait to host as Rustenburg. The economy of Rustenburg will be boosted. Thank you very much, Mswenko Boys. We love you.
Thank you. My name is Makhoye, the head coach of the College Football Club, the head coach of Mswenko Boys. We'd like to take this opportunity to thank Sheila. She's been my #1 supporter, Remisa Mswenko lady, and she's been encouraging us and also giving us the stadium to make sure that we've got a home ground. I mean, every time when I give her a call to say we need a stadium, she's always there to assist us, and I'm happy because we had a dream to bring a professional football in Bojanala and in Rustenburg.
Thank you, sir.
From the bottom, now we're here in Rustenburg for the past 15 years. When we started this at Orbit, we started as an amateur team, took it to ABC Motsepe. Then we went to the playoffs in Maritzburg in 2 years. The team now is promoted. But I had a dream, I had a legacy to say, I need to change, I need to bring something to the province. And I have delivered that. I think even the next one who's coming, it will be very difficult to fill those shoes because nobody has done it. But with the support of Rustenburg Local Municipality, Office of the Mayor, I'm very happy. You could see the stadium today. I think everybody now we need to start working. We need to make sure that this stadium, we fix it so we can host. We want to host Pirates here. We want to host Kaizer Chiefs here, Sundowns here. This is our home. We don't want to move here. This is the home of Obi. This is the home of champions. And we have created it today. Thank you so much.
The renovations of the stadium, we have started with the renovations slowly but surely. But what I can assure you is that we have started with the renovations. If you knew the stadium back then and now, you can see that there are improvements and we are busy with the renovations. We have started.
Okay, I have a question. Are we ready?
We are ready.
Are we ready?
Yeah, on your marks. We are ready. On your marks,
That's
we
why
are
we
ready.
hosted the PSL team today.
Yes.
It means we are ready.
Exactly.
If you were not ready, you could not have hosted Cape Town City here.
Numbers are numbering. We iponetse le baagi ba Rustenburg na ba tlile go support Mswenko Boys.
Tonakgolo ya monoporofenseng Lazarus Mokhosi o akgotse setlhopha le go gatelela botlhokwa jwa phitlhelelo eno go rotloetsa bašwa ba selegae.
No re itumetse thata a o ka lebelela gompieno re tlile rotlhe re tletse fa. This game was very, very important for us as a province and its entire community and as government. So, And we believe that without government support, they would not have succeeded. But we are here today. We believe that we can work together with the college, including the business community around Rustenburg, and even in the entire province. Because we believe that it's important for us as a province to have a team in the Premier Division. It has been a long time that we did not have. We had Platinum Stars the last time, I think it's 5-6 years ago. Now we are here today, we've got a team. The people of the Northwest must support this football team. All of us, support. To run a football team, by the way, is quite expensive. That's why we are aware that the college could not on its own succeed. That's why we do run a football team without sponsors, it's going to be very difficult. So it's important that sponsors who are doing business in the province must come and see this is the role that we are going to play. We'll assist the college to ensure that we engage strategic stakeholders who must come and assist our football team. This is the pride of the Northwest. We must all support it. And I must say, I'm so happy and excited of the support of the people of Greater Rustenburg and the province who are here today. And the MECs who are here, members of the legislature, members of parliament, mayors and councillors and everybody. We showed leadership that we are here and we are supporting our local boys. Santla, we must focus on the young talent. We must grow the talent in our local communities. Also, it's important that they must have patience, that this thing do not happen overnight. You must have patience, but at the same time, you must remain focused. Like this one, we could have done it in the previous seasons, but because of other reasons, we could not. But today we are here. At last it happened. But focus, commitment, determination, and not to be distracted. And I believe that with those virtues, we can succeed.
Motlatsetona kwa kantorong ya mopresidente Kenny Morolong o kailefa ba le motlotlo thata ka phitlhelelo eno.
No, well, we are very proud of the achievements by the Orbit College Football Club. I know most of these young men, some of them are from my hometown, and we're just here to cheer them up and to say to them we couldn't be more proud as the people of the Northwest Province. We are proud that we officially now have a team that plays in the Premier Soccer League. It's quite a great achievement for us. We will have to tighten on our infrastructure and make sure that we've created an enabling environment for this team to continue to prosper.
Mokhuduthamaga wa lefapha la metshameko botsweretsi le setso Galebeko Tlhapi a re katlego eno e boeletsa maitlamo a porofense a go aga isago e tlang.
Virginia Tlhapi. I'm the MEC of Arts, Culture, Sports and Recreation in the Northwest Province. Today it was a good day. It was a good day indeed in the Northwest Province, in Rustenburg, and we are very happy as government to have been on the PSL, and this is a proud moment for government, this is a proud moment for Orbit, this is a proud moment for Rustenburgers. So we are indeed very happy to be here today, and I think we are going to make sure that we work harder. We even give the team support that they need always. We've been supporting them, and I think we will now even go further to engage even the private sectors, because we all know that football is very expensive. So as government, we are going to sit down. Now the team is here. We need to plan about the team. We need to plan with the team, and we need to make sure that we give them the necessary support. We know that now they will have to rely on government. And as government, we are going to make sure that we give them the support that they need. And we are very happy that indeed, at last, Northwest is at PSL.
Let me see, we've had a team Northwest in the PSL before, Platinum Stars and then what is the government going to do to ensure that the Orbit College remain now on the PSL?
We are going to make sure that we sit down with the team. It is for government, or not for government actually, for Orbit to have a team. They have started a race. What we are going to do as government is to make sure that we keep on supporting them. we give them the necessary support. Earlier on, I had a meeting with them before they play, and I said to them, we need to identify ourselves as a Northwest province. And indeed, we are going to make sure that we identify ourselves, and we are going to give them the support. It's our children. We are going to make sure that even we engage the Royal Bafokeng Nation. We are going to engage with the municipality. We are going to engage even the private sector, and we are going to make sure that we give this team a support that they need.
Meyara mogolo wa sedika sa bojanala Tikeledi Susan Ntangeni o ka ile fa jaaka sedika ba itumetse mme ba batla go tswelela go tshegetsa tlhabololo ya metshameko mo profenseng.
My name is Tikeledi Ntangeni, the executive mayor of the Bojanala district municipality. We are overwhelmed and excited today with the win of the Orbit FEC. As the district, as the province, we have made history today. We are happy, and as we remember that our district is deeply rural. Now the sport development starts from the villages, from the primary schools, and then we are showcasing now the talent that we have, and we will continue to support sports development with the support of provincial government, national government, and private sector. It is one of our IDP priorities, and we will continually support them. And we are excited, and we wish them all the best in the league. As I've said, that sports development is one of our in the IDP priorities. We have budgeted more than $1 million in the next year's financial year, on the 2025-2026 financial year. Now with this 1.something million, we'll be working with the local municipalities, provincial government, and private sector to ensure that the sports development is a success. From the rural communities, we want to see ourselves as a district that we want to see ourselves one day that we developed our young people of sports, and we will always be on the top. Now with this opportunity that we had with the Orbit FC, it's a showcase that as Bojanala district, Bojanala is the home of sports, netball and all other teams, and we pride ourselves, and we will continually support them. We mobilize resources to invest on sports development.
Mo go tse dingwe tsa metshameko, Mamelodi Sundowns e tlositswe mo sejaneng sa lefatshe sa FIFA moraga go tshameka maleka le Fluminense kwa Miami Gardens kwa Florida maabane. Setlhopha se ne se tlhoka phenyo go ya kwa makgaolakganyeng a bo 16 mme ba se kgone go fenya setlhopha sa Fluminense. Mokatisi Miguel Cardoso o ne a tlhalosa gore setlhopha sa gagwe se boela mo Afrika Borwa ka boikgantsho le fa ba tswa mo kgatong. Tlajanong re diwetse ka tseo di tlhomileng kwa setlhoeng. GCIS e tlhotse e tshwere tiro ya kgwedi ya baša le letsatsi la boditšhabatšhaba kgatlhanong le diritibatsi. Mo go tse dingwe, Kgotlapeomolao ya Northwest e amogela palamente ya lekala la baša ya 2025. Re diwetsa fa mogaetsho go fitlhela re kopana gape mo nakong e tlang ke Keotshepile Mokate mo Thweso sala sentle.